Hey guys, this is not going to be a long video. Today I'm going to fry some green plantains, and I'm just going to show you how I do it. But first I'm going to put some vegetable oil on my hand so it doesn't get stainy. So I'm just going to just taking off the skin here. Just going to remove these off of it. Okay guys, so this is the other one. I'm just going to do two. I had three here, but I'm just going to do two. Alright, so I'm going to cut these up. Okay, so I'm just going to cut these up. Okay. Alright, now I have these. I'm going to pour some oil in the pot. Alright, so these are right here. Once the oil gets hot, then I will put these in and start frying. Alright, so I'm going to put these in the pot. What's wrong? Alright, so I'm going to fry these until they're golden brown. Huh? Have to wait. So I'm going to use a cup or anything to press this out. Let's see how this comes out. Perfect. Ouch. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing. You're cooking? What are you cooking? Oh, cool. Alright, so I pressed these. So once they're golden brown on each side, then I will remove them from the oil. This looks good. It's really good. Okay guys, and this is the finished product. I'm just going to sprinkle a little salt on it. Put some salt on it. And this is it. Fried plantain. Yeah, look good.